Hi, so today I'm gonna do a review of this humidifier. So you take this piece apart and then you turn it upside down. You'll put water from this hole right here and then you kind of like put it on top, and all you have to do is to turn the power on, and as you can see, it's pretty powerful, so there is a lot coming out. And then if you keep clicking, it's gonna change the time. Sorry, hard to... You see, now it's 3, or it's off. 1, 3, 6. This way you can sleep with your baby and not to be worried about anything. And I will just add some oil. If it's a little too much, you can adjust how much is gonna come out by rotating this part. It's pretty cool, and I like the neat and nice sleek design. Enjoy!